I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. So the song has a very simple chord progression and a very simple strumming pattern. This is all well and good until we get to the bridge of the song, which is going to need us to use bar chords. Now, I'm going to only teach you the bridge at the end of this lesson, but if you are a complete newbie, you do not need to learn this part of the song. You can still play the majority of the song perfectly well without having to learn that difficult section in the bridge. So the chords that we're going to need are D major. Next, we need a G major chord, which I'm going to be playing as a 4-fingered G because we have the 3rd finger as an anchor between the G chord and our D chord. You're going to notice that the song has a lot of transitions between a D and a G, and this is why I'm going to be using a 4-fingered G. But if you are used to a 3-fingered G chord like this, that's also completely fine. Just use what you are most comfortable playing. Next, we're going to need an A major chord. And lastly, we need a C major. And while I'm up close at the camera, let's do the strumming pattern. We're going to need the good old pop strumming pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up. The song is divided up into 3 main sections: the verse, the chorus, and the bridge. So we're going to start with learning how to play the verse. So we're going to be starting on the D chord, and we're going to use our strumming pattern down, down, up, down, up. Now the chords are up on the screen for you to follow along with. Here we go. A 1, 2, ready, and D. I can see G and D. D again and D. I can see G, obstacles to A, and A again, back to D. Gone are the G and to D. Repeat the D again. And that is how the verses are going to sound in the song. This leads us into the chorus, which is going to be on a C chord for 1 round of the pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. And we change to G for 1 round. And then we're going to play the D for 2 rounds. So it's going to sound like this. Gonna be a C to G, sunshiny D. It's gonna be a C to the G, sunshiny D. Good job. Now, if you're enjoying my guitar tutorials here on YouTube, I know you're going to love my guitar program, the Stellar Academy. The course is jam-packed with lessons that are going to help you learn how to play the guitar and all your favorite songs with ease, joy, and confidence. I know you will love the program, so go and check it out. The link is below this video, and I really hope to see you inside the Stellar Academy. Right, let's get back into the lesson. So this leads us into the final section, which is the bridge. So the bridge, I'm going to divide into 2 parts because the first part is manageable, and then the second part is where all those bar chords are going to come into play. And you can completely skip this section out. You don't have to learn it, but we're going to learn both parts today, and you can decide which sections you want to include and which sections you want to exclude. So we're going to start that bridge on an F chord. Now you can use the bar chord F if you want. You can use a half bar, or you can use the easy F, which is an F major 7, which I'm going to use This channel is dedicated to helping beginner guitarists learn how to play the guitar. So this is why I'm going to focus on the easiest option we have, which is an F major 7. And we're going to play the F major 7 chord for 2 rounds. And we then change to the C for 2 rounds. Back to the F for 2 rounds. And to the A for 2 rounds. So that is the singing portion of the bridge. So let's try that again, starting with that F major 7 chord. For the bridge, a 1, 2, ready, and F. Look all to F, there's nothing but C, C. Back to F again. Look straight to F, there's nothing but A. And A again. So this final section, it's such a short burst in the song, and you really don't need to play it, but we're going to look at it quickly today. We're going to start with a C sharp minor chord, which is a bar chord on the 4th fret using an A minor chord shape. And then we're going to go to a bar chord G, which is in the 3rd fret using an E shape, and we're going to play that twice. So C sharp minor to G, repeats, C sharp minor to G. We're then going to go to a C chord, to B minor, which you can play as a bar chord or as an open chord, and then 2 rounds on A. And this is going to lead us straight back into the verse. I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. And all the way through to the end of the song. Well done, you have learned all the 3 main sections of the song successfully. All that is left to do now is join me for a play along of the song coming up next. Let's take it from the top. A 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. I think I can make it now, the pain is gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. Here is the rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Look all around, there's nothing but blue skies. Look straight ahead, there's nothing but blue skies. I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. bright, bright, sunshiny day. Thank you so much for joining me today in learning how to play this amazing song. It's been awesome jamming along with you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support really helps me out and it allows me to continue making videos just like this one for you every single week. I can't wait to see you in my next lesson tutorial. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.